Welcome to Coding with me. Today, we will explore the most useful Flutter packages that every developer must use in their projects. These packages are essential for building feature-rich and efficient applications. The first package on our list is Cached Network Image. This package allows you to load and display images from a URL while caching them for future use. It ensures that images are stored in cache storage, reducing the need to reload them every time. You can check the How to Use section in the library documentation to explore its features and different implementation methods. The next package is Shared Preferences. It provides a simple way to store small amounts of data in key-value pairs. This is useful for storing user preferences, login details, account types, and other lightweight data. It is easy to use and faster than other storage solutions. The next package is Flutter Screenutil. The Flutter Screenutil is a must-have package for making your Flutter apps UI responsive. It helps adapt screen and font sizes dynamically, ensuring a consistent layout across different screen sizes. The package provides multiple ways to implement responsiveness, such as wrapping your app in a configuration widget or using .sp for defining text sizes. This package is highly recommended for creating a user-friendly and visually appealing UI. Another excellent package for responsiveness is Sizer. It works similarly to Flutter's Screenutil, but is preferred by many developers for its intuitive approach. This package automatically adjusts your UI elements based on the screen size, making responsiveness effortless. You can check the How to Use section for a detailed guide on implementing it in different ways. The next package is Image Picker. The Image Picker is a powerful package for capturing images from the camera or selecting them from the gallery. If your app requires image uploads, this package is essential. It simplifies image handling and integrates seamlessly with Flutter projects. The next package is Flutter.env. Security is a crucial aspect of modern applications, and Flutter.env helps protect sensitive information such as API keys, tokens, and base URLs. This package allows you to store these values in an .own file, keeping them secure and separate from your main code. Check out the usage section to learn how to implement it effectively. The next package is Flutter SVG. The Flutter SVG is a package that enables you to render SVG, scalable vector graphics, images in your Flutter app. It is particularly useful for high-quality, scalable icons and vector images. Using this package ensures that your images remain crisp and adaptable across different screen resolutions. The next package is Permission Handler. The Permission Handler package provides a simple way to request and manage permissions in Flutter apps. Whether you need access to the camera, microphone, location, or storage, this package allows you to handle permissions efficiently while following platform-specific guidelines. The next package is Device Info Plus. The Device Info Plus helps you retrieve detailed information about the user's device, including the model, OS version, manufacturer, and more. This is useful for analytics, debugging, and providing device-specific optimizations in your app. The next package is Connectivity Plus. The Connectivity Plus package allows you to check the user's network status and handle connectivity changes. Whether you need to detect Wi-Fi, mobile data, or offline mode, this package provides a seamless way to manage network connectivity in your app.